I never thought we would see a deer here.
No, I got it good on camera too.
That's cool. He's facing our way. Oh, yeah. He won't get. Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, I ran right across from us. I might as well just keep it running the whole time because who knows what'll come.
That is cool. I didn't think we would see him now.
No, she walked right in front of you.
It's a white-tailed deer.
Yep.
Maybe we should enter him now. He won't be able to see that far.
No. Woodpecker, you hear that? That was unexpected. I wasn't expecting that. She just ran right across the trail. Shut up, Keith.
Of course it's unexpected if you didn't expect it.
Or to stick the mosquitoes on you if you keep...
They like him anyways.
Keith, excuse you. Oh, that was a woodpecker.
Woodpecker can fart like that.
I guess they're not gonna come.
I don't know. They'll come or they won't. There's another deer. Kelly, walk this way. Walk over towards me.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Wow.
I just got a mosquito on me.
Yeah, they're...
One in case, yeah.
That hurt.
Yep. Hey, gosh. Oh, that's why we walked kind of like... Gosh, it's bleeding. Hopefully I don't get malaria now. We need to bring some repellent next time. I'm gonna have a mosquito bite. That's good that you brought that, Kelly.
Yeah. I wish I would have gotten it though when it came right across the path though. That was something.
I just happened to look and like...
I know. I saw it jump across. It like jumped right across the path. Ow, it just got my neck. Little bugger. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I got it, Keith.
He's looking at us.
Aww.
Hello, baby.
It's a mosquito on my neck again.
We need to just keep on walking, otherwise we're going to get all bit up, guys.
Yeah, go ahead. She's looking right at me. Another one here, Sherry. Hurry, it's right in the water. A deer.
How cool. Why isn't it? We gotta keep on walking. We're gonna get bit off.
Yeah, I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes, but that's worth it. Ow.
Sherry. Yeah. Oh no, look at you.
Did you get a picture, Uncle? Fuck a mosquito.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
Keith, they're biting me like crazy. I'm gonna have a bunch all over me.
Isn't it pretty? Such a pretty picture.
Oops.
Okay, I'm walking.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk too, because my boobs are gonna be all bit up. Yeah, be quiet, Keith.
Got a mosquito like right behind you.
Yeah. It's okay, I'm gonna get all bit up.
I'm kind of happy that Sandy come came.
Me too. Ow! Anybody want to give me their shirt?
No.
Ow!
I don't want to.
Because it's my fault for wearing a shirt like this. Ow, ow, ow. I have 1 or 2 on my neck already. I had 2 on my neck, and one got me.
You got them on there.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Great. Ow, ow, ow. Shut up, Uncle, I'm gonna kick you.
You'll know better.
How they sprayed at you?
Ah, ah,
You'll know better.
fuck off, Uncle.
They like you, Cal.
You got the camera.
Yeah, I don't care.
Did you got some?
I'm recording. I'm recording right now.
Cool. Can't believe we've seen 2 deer.
I know already, and we only
So
entered.
cool.
I got bit up all over the fucking place, man.
I just hope we don't. Yeah, we're gonna have to take a short walk this time. Yeah, we're going right back up those 10 months. I don't want him to sit and wait too long.
Ow.
You alright? I
Yeah.
don't think I have any rubbing alcohol.
I got so bit just from that little walk.
I don't think it got me.
I can feel it on my foot. I can feel it on my neck. I can feel one on my back.
The one that I
I'm gonna have one on my boob too, because the one that got in there.
don't want it.
Fresh meat? Yes.
Yeah.
Why? What?
No, she was there for the mosquitoes.
Oh, no. Oh, we got a lot. Got a broccoli. That was interesting, though.
Yeah.
That was well worth it.
That was
No, it fucking wasn't.
Oh,
I think-
well, it's worth it.
I didn't say it was worth it.
Yes, you did. Oh, wow, that'll be worth it. Oh, wow, it'll be
I have 1, 2,
on the back of my neck.
3, 4, 5.
I think they stayed off of me.
Yeah, lucky you.
I got one right on my back. I got one up close right there.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. Bye, mosquitoes.